Good morning, traders. This is Curious Combo, and it is Wednesday, 19th of March. A very good morning from a very busy week in the markets. This is the DAX on the daily time frame that we're looking at. Very interesting things have happened this week and will be upcoming. Germany parties agreed on the historic debt deal for a massive increase in government borrowing. Basically, the principle with the Greens and the German election winner Friedrich Merz and the Social Democrats in Germany has now plans for a massive increase in state borrowing ahead of the parliamentary vote this week. And the debt reform plan will put forward jointly by the Conservatives and the SPD, and it would exempt defense spending from the country's constitutionally enshrined debt break and create special 500 billion fund for infrastructure investment. So this will obviously, now that it's happening, drive the German and European markets high on an accelerated rate. And you can see what happened in the market when this debt deal was agreed earlier. So the double top got confirmed and our stochastics are moving together to the very highly overbought territory. We do not trade on the daily time frame, as you all know who have been to the channel for our previous videos. We looked at the macroeconomic level on the daily time frame, then we drilled down to hour, 15-minute, and intraday all the way to 5 minutes. Today also in the US market, the FOMC Interest Rate Decision will be published 2:30 in US. The committee rate decision meeting will start at 2 p.m. and Fed Chair Powell will hold a press conference at 2:30 New York, 2:30 in the afternoon. So that is gonna definitely create volatility in the market. It's going to be huge, so watch out for that if you're trading S&P 500, Nasdaq, or the Dow, or even the European markets with me. So be patient until the early afternoon hours US. So that's going to be our late European session, the post-market around 8 to 10 o'clock in the evening, depending where you live and what markets you trade. But the DAX is going to have volatility with that as well. Looking at our stochastics here on the hourly time frame, we're in the consolidation zone on the higher 80 levels here. If we drill down to 15 minutes, we can see the grouping to the upside, strong movement aiming for the 23,488 where our range still stands. 5 minute confirms, but obviously this is where we take our trades and we'll find opportunities. I do not obviously short almost anything, most definitely not these ranging markets, because we are still on top of the bullish range and we are looking for the markets to go up with these positive decisions. Ukraine ceasefire talks will continue in Saudi Arabia. This Saturday, Trump will, or the Trump administration will meet with the Russian delegation in Saudi Arabia this Saturday. So I would highly advise not to leave any position, not overnight, but definitely not over the weekend, because again, next Monday, Tuesday, we might wake up to a whole new different world once again. So high volatility on every hour today, the rest of the week and next week. Markets are today Wednesday 19th of March. We trade using my double stochastic strategy here on the channel. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to ask me more ideas and confirmation how I use the strategy. You can also view my previous video that I made on the strategy here. Click on the card on the right hand corner right here. I hope you all the best on the markets, wherever you're staying, whatever is your stance. But you trade smart and be cautious and have a good one.